Fire Steve Bell. Steve Bell has not been truthful with the board and taxpayers and can no longer be trusted. At the last board meeting, Bell told the board that the district was using MERV 8 HVAC filters, standard for Jeffco's HVAC systems.
We have MERV 8 filters.
Yet in his August presentation, he told the board that the district was using specifically designed HVAC filters. That August statement was an outright lie. That's strike one. When asked about the safety of the district's HVAC systems in September, how they mitigated the transference of the virus, Bell replied that all HVAC systems were functional and operational. Everyone heard what Director Schooley asked, yet Bell attempted to avoid the question with an obtuse answer. One can only assume he was trying to hide something.
So I'm wondering too. We continue to get a lot of concern at a few sites around the HVAC systems, and the questions kind of can persist. And so I'm just wondering how, if all of that is up to a standard that we're comfortable with, that is what it's supposed to be to mitigate transference of the virus.
I would tell you the following, that all of our systems in our district are functional and operational.
Board members should always be answered truthfully and without some beat around the bush answer. That's strike two. Also in September, Bell claimed 3 times that he didn't know of any COVID-related HVAC standards or specifications.
I guess I would ask clarification, what is the virus mitigation standard that you're talking about? I don't know, Julie, I don't know what the specification for virus mitigation is. I don't know that.
The 7.5 exchange.
Okay, I would ask the same thing of our health expert. What are the specifications? Because none of us in our department know of any specifications.
Yet in the August meeting, he clearly stated that he worked in conjunction with CDC and ASHRI in evaluating Jeffco's HVAC systems.
One of the mitigation strategies is to address the ventilation and airflow systems so that we provide the best air quality that we can for those that are in our buildings. We have chosen to do this in concert and in consultation with CDC, with ASHRA, which is the American Society for Heating, Refrigeration, and Air Ventilation Engineering group.
Both the CDC and ASHRI have very clear guidelines recommending the use of MERV 13 filters. It's Bell's job to know those guidelines and recommendations, especially based on his August statement, and since it was all over the news that DPS was upgrading to MERV 11-13 filters, is deceptive and downright incompetent. That's strike 3. The Jeffco board, parents, staff, and taxpayers shouldn't trust anything Steve Bell says. Jeffco needs senior staff with integrity and honesty. Fire Steve Bell.